How to lock an album in Samsung Galaxy phone without using additional app. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you lock album in Samsung Galaxy phone without using the additional app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open your gallery on your device. Okay, so after you open the gallery, you'll have to just tap on this three line just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from here tap on settings. And now from the settings section you have to scroll down and go the option about gallery. Alright, so from here you'll have to severally or continuously tap on this version number to unlock the gallery labs. So simply regularly tap on this version number. Alright, so after you get the information your gallery lab is enabled, you'll have to just back from here, and now from the gallery setting you'll be able to find the options like gallery lab. So simply tap on this gallery labs option. Okay, so now from this section make sure that you have turned on these features like album entry lock. So you have to turn on this from here. Alright, so after you make this from here you'll have to close this, and again you'll have to open the gallery on your device. Okay, so now from here to lock an album you'll have to just hold and select that album. Okay, so now from here you'll have to tap on this more icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here you will get options like lock album. So simply tap on this lock album. Okay, so after you open the lock album using your phone password or lock, you will be able to turn off from here. So for that you'll have to just tap on this three line just at the top right corner. Alright, so now from here you can simply go the option unlock album. So simply tap on it. Okay, so as you can see I have successfully locked and unlocked in my Samsung Galaxy phone. So this is the easiest and simplest method to lock an album without using third-party application on your Samsung phone. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.